Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to my English speaking journey again. And for this video, I will share to you about my mistakes that I have made uh, in the previous video in my sixth time speaking English on camera video. And I said in the last video, good morning, my friend, welcome again. Uh, Welcome again sounds unnatural in native English speaker. I should say welcome back. So I will practice it right now. Welcome back, my friends, to my English speaking journey. That is the first mistake that I made in the previous video. And I also forget to add S after friend. So I should say good morning, my friends, because friends is a plural form. So I should say my friends, not just my friend. Because if I say my friend, it's only one friend. But I should say my friends because it's a plural form. And yeah, I realized I made a lot of mistakes in my previous videos. I have posted about 6 video about my journey of learning and speaking English on camera. I noticed that I sometimes make sentence too long and confusing because for example, I said in the previous video, I said something like, today I'm going to talk about the topic about language. And that's actually not natural. A better way is just to say, today I'm going to talk about learning a new language. Simple is better in English speaking. And the second, I made some grammar mistakes. For example, I said, I will not able to speak. But the correct sentence is, we will not be able to speak. So I forgot to add be before able. This is a small mistake, but it's important. I also made mistakes with plural words. I said practice it, but I was talking about many words, right? So it should be practice them. So yeah, I need to be more carefully with singular and plural. And I think this is part of learning process. Okay. Another mistake I made was with structure. I said without we think about it, but the correct forms is without thinking about it. After without, we should use verb ing, or we know it as gerund. This is something I need to remember. If I want to say without and then I add verb, I just add ing after the verb. So without thinking or without saying or without going. That is the pattern that I have to remember. I need to remember. And also sometimes I use the wrong word. For example, I said every time I get a change, but the correct word is change. But I'm not sure how to pronounce it. But change. Yeah. Every time I get a change, I will look for the how to pronounce it, and I really want you to write on the comment below how to pronounce change. CHANCE. The small difference can change the meaning, because in the previous video I said change, not change. Change. Yeah, I will figure it how to pronounce it well, better, correct way. And I also realized that I need to improve how I pronounce some words, like language. I have looked for how to pronounce language. I said language in the previous video, but it's actually language. And the th sounds, sometimes I still say it like t or d, not th. So I need to practice that more. Sometimes when I say it should be that, I said that. It should be thing, I say thing. It should be thought, but I say it thought. So I have to practice. I need to practice that more. Okay. Yes, but you know, I'm very happy that I made these mistakes, because now I can see what I need to improve, and this is how we grow. I have said to you before that this is the part of the process. We speak and we listen to our own videos, and then realize that there are so many mistakes, and then I look for the better way, the correct one, and then I improve. And I believe this is the one. This is one of the way how to learn language, not only English, but also for the other language that you want to learn. So once again, if you are also learning language, don't be afraid to make mistake that I have mentioned before in the previous video, because we will always make mistakes. But remember, mistakes are not something to be ashamed of. They are part of the process that I have already said about it. And I also want to say thank you to you guys. If you see again any mistakes in my speaking, I want you to help me and correct me, and on the comment, write in the comment, and I really appreciate it. All right, maybe that's all for today about fixing my 6 videos about my speaking English on camera. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Good morning.